Here we are with our new document that we set up in the previous video. It's a 3-page document with a set of spreads. So the first thing I'm going to want to do so that I can run my type trials is set up some semblance of a guide or grids. I suppose you could bypass this step, but it is just going to be a lot easier, particularly for what's due on Wednesday. So the first thing I'm going to do is go over here to the Pages palette, and I'm going to select the pages I want to work on. You can set these grids up individually if you want to work with varying grids for each different type trial. That's certainly fine. If you want to handle each spread as its own individual grid, you can hold down the Shift key and select one page and then another. And if you wanted all of your document pages to use the same grid, you'd bounce up here to Master Pages and select both of those. That's what we're going to do today because it's the most useful, although know that if you want to change them on individual spreads, for instance, you can certainly do that after you've applied the master ruler guides. So here we are up in the Master Pages, and I'm going to set up a very simple 9x9 grid based on Jan Tschichol's kind of classic proportions. So I'm going to go Layout and then Create Guides, and I'm just going to set up 9 rows with a 0 pica gutter and 9 columns, 0 pica gutter, and I'm going to fit this to the page. We don't have margins. In some cases that's handy, but in any case, the nicest thing to have on is preview, so you can see that you're going to get what you wanted. Once we click OK, we can bounce down here to the document grid, or view rather, and see that that grid of ruler guides has been applied to all of them. If you want to turn these on and off, it's Command, you hold down Command and semicolon, and it'll toggle them on and off. And then from here, we can start to apply some semblance of a text block grid system that we can use to create our type trials, which I'll go over in the next video.